Good afternoon. It is 3 p.m. Cairo local time. I'm Rehan Morsi and I'll bring you the latest. We're going to start off with some local news where Prime Minister Dr. Mustafa Madbouli congratulated President Abdel Fattah al-Sisi, the government, Egyptians and expatriates on New Year's. As he chaired a weekly cabinet meeting, the Prime Minister stressed the necessity of raising the high alert status against any emergency nationwide. He also urged activating Crisis Management Operation Room to immediately handle any incident coinciding with the New Year festivities. The Premier also hailed the declining number of COVID-19 quarantine cases thanks to the expansion in the country's vaccination drive and called on all citizens to get their jabs. The General Command of the Armed Forces greeted President Abdel Fattah al-Sisi, the Supreme Commander of the Armed Forces, the Army, Egyptian Copts and all Egyptian people on the occasion of the New Year 2022, wishing Egypt a happy New Year full of good and prosperity. Minister of Interior Mahmoud Tawfiq held a meeting with a number of his aides and security top officers to discuss the strategy of security work during the current phase. The minister reviewed in the meeting the security plans for the Egyptian celebration of the New Year's and Christmas, giving directives to raise the security warning level to its highest in the next phase. Egypt reported 854 new coronavirus infections, bringing the total number of cases to 383,857 people since the outbreak hit the country in mid-February of last year. The Health Ministry also reported 28 new deaths, bringing the total number of fatalities to 21,695. The ministry added that 769 patients were discharged from hospitals, raising the number of those who have recovered to 319,225 people. Global COVID-19 infections hit a record high over the past period as the Omicron variant raced out of control and governments tried to contain its spread without paralyzing fragile economies. Almost 900,000 cases were detected on average each day around the world between December 22nd to the 28th, with a lot of countries posting new highs in the previous 24 hours, including the United States, Australia, and many in Europe and Argentina, as well as Bolivia. The story.
A COVID tsunami